Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will talk about Python data type. Understanding a data type is crucial for writing efficient and error-free program. So let's get started. What are data types? In programming, data types are used to classify the type of data that a variable can hold. A Python has a variety of built-in data types that can be used in your program. Today we will cover the most common one. They are numeric, string, list, tuple, dictionary, set, and Boolean. Let's talk about numeric data type. Python has three main numeric data types: int, float, and complex. Int is a integer type of data which is used to hold whole number, both positive and negative, whereas float are decimal number. Complex number have a real and imaginary part. And here you can see the example. You can convert the numeric data type using typecasting function. Then after we have a string data type. String are the sequence of characters that are enclosed within a single quote or a double quotes. You can access individual character using indexing like this, or perform various string operations like slicing like this. Then we have list. Lists are order, mutable sequence of items. They can hold any data type, even other list. You can create a list by enclosing element in a square bracket. Here you can see. You can add, remove, or modify the element in a list using various methods like append, extend, and remove. Then we have tuples. Tuples are similar to list, but they are immutable, meaning their element cannot be changed once assigned. You can create a tuple by enclosing element in a parenthesis. Then we have dictionary. Dictionary are another collection of key value pairs. They are mutable and can hold any type of values. You can create a dictionary by enclosing key value pair in a curly braces like this. You can add, remove, or modify the key value pair using various methods like key, value, and update. Then we have sets. Sets are another collection of unique elements. They are mutable but do not support indexing or slicing. You can create a set using a set constructor or by enclosing element in a curly braces. At last we have Boolean. Boolean represent true or false value and primarily used for conditional statement and comparison. They can be created by directly assigning true or false or as a result of comparison. And that's it. Later on you will learn more about this data type, but till then, happy coding.